Alright, so today before I mow the yard, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to swap out the reverse bulbs with LED bulbs. And I kind of peeled the sticker so the part number came off on this, but this is what these look like. So I ordered these on Amazon. I've swapped them out on other cars. They're real easy, and you don't have to really worry about them burning out. So let's get started. Alright, so there's the ugly amber bulbs. So, obviously, what they look like. Alright, so first thing you need to do is get a flat blade screwdriver, open the door, then you're going to take your flat blade, put it in this little hole, and just pop this little panel off, just like so. Set it aside. Your reverse bulb is this upper one here. It's just got a little piece of foam on it. I'm gonna push this little tab and pull the connector down. So I just push this little tab right here. And then you can take this little piece of foam and just kind of move it out of the way. Rotate the bulb counterclockwise, and the whole thing comes out. Real easy. Here's a close-up of the connector. In order to take this connector off, you just push with your finger right there, and you can see that little plastic piece deflecting under my finger. So I'm going to push and pull it. So now that we got it out, we're going to take our bulb out of the little package. Alright, so we're going to take the bulb and the LED bulb, we're going to pull the incandescent one out, and we're going to put the LED one in. Now this could not work at first, so we're going to test it. It may have to go back in and go 180 degrees. Alright, so just to test it, we're going to go ahead and push the connector back in, and it just lines up and connects that way. Go ahead and do the other side, and then we'll test them both. Now that we've verified they're both working, we're going to go ahead and put them back in. And just put it up, give it a little turn. In fact, I've got to pop this back out to get this little rubber, or this little foam cover back over on it. And then the connector just snaps in place. To reinstall, and to reinstall the plastic panel, it just goes on with little clips. Looks like someone has had this panel off before and this clip is bent. I'm not going to bend it back because it would just end up breaking. But the panel just lines up. So you want to get it lined up with this bottom part first, and then go ahead and push it up. That's it. It's not hard to tell that those are significantly brighter. I'll show you at night as well. So that's what it looks like at night. Don't have the brake on. Or the tails. Looks really crisp and really clean, really modern. Definitely gives it a modern look. I like it.